Hatching peafowl eggs successfully requires the right incubator. In this guide, we'll explore the best incubator for peafowl eggs, ensuring optimal temperature, humidity, and turning for a high hatch rate. Number 1. Apdoe Egg Incubator. The Apdoe 2025 Upgraded Hatch Pro 12 is an advanced egg incubator that provides precise temperature and humidity control for successful hatching. Designed with a digital display, it ensures easy monitoring of environmental conditions. The innovative 2-in-1 humidity control system, along with an adjustable air vent, allows for customized humidity levels, catering to various incubation needs. A standout feature is the 360-degree transparent observation window, which offers a fascinating view of the hatching process, making it an excellent educational tool for children and beginners. This incubator is equipped with an automatic egg turner that rotates the eggs every 2 hours, mimicking the natural movements of a hen. This hands-free operation significantly enhances hatch rates by ensuring even heat distribution. However, to ensure proper chick development, the turntable should be removed in the last 3 days of incubation. The inclusion of AB humidity trays, connected to dual external bottles, minimizes the need for frequent water refills, maintaining a stable humidity level throughout the process. This feature reduces the hassle of daily monitoring and provides a more convenient incubation experience. The digital temperature control system allows users to fine-tune the incubation temperature with straightforward button operations. With the humidity display and upgraded air vent, users can maintain an optimal environment for eggs at all times. The incubator's 360-degree airflow circulation ensures even distribution of heat and humidity, eliminating the risk of hot or cold spots that could compromise embryo development. Number 2. Onsju Egg Incubator. The Onsju Egg Incubator is a highly functional device designed to create a stable and controlled environment for egg hatching. Featuring an adjustable temperature system, it ensures that eggs receive the right amount of heat throughout the incubation period. The built-in fan system promotes consistent airflow, preventing temperature fluctuations. Additionally, if the temperature deviates from the set range, the incubator triggers an automatic alarm to alert users, preventing potential damage to the developing embryos. Humidity control is another key feature of this incubator. It is equipped with 2 independent water bottles that automatically add water to maintain the required humidity levels. This automated system prevents frequent lid opening, reducing fluctuations in humidity and temperature. The incubator also includes an automatic egg turning function that operates at intervals of 1, 2, or 3 hours, ensuring that eggs are evenly warmed. The turning mechanism stops automatically 4 days before hatching to protect the developing chicks. A unique feature of this incubator is the built-in egg candler light, which allows users to observe the hatching process and check the egg's condition at various stages. The transparent cover provides a 360-degree view of the incubation process, making it ideal for both learning and monitoring purposes. With the capacity to hatch up to 18 chicken or duck eggs and 40 smaller bird eggs, this incubator is suitable for farms, households, classrooms, and laboratories. The Onsju Egg Incubator offers an efficient and convenient solution for those looking to hatch eggs with precision. With its automatic features, humidity control, and built-in candler, it provides everything needed for a successful incubation process. Number 3. Ibkinxx Egg Incubator. The Ibkinxx Egg Incubator is a well-designed and technologically advanced device that simplifies the egg hatching process. Featuring a constant temperature and humidity control system, this incubator displays real-time readings on an LED screen, making it easy to set and maintain optimal conditions for incubation. This eliminates the need for additional temperature or humidity monitors, ensuring a seamless experience. One of its standout features is the automatic egg turning system, which mimics natural conditions by rotating eggs at adjustable intervals of 60, 120, or 180 minutes. This prevents the yolk from settling and enhances hatch success. The incubator automatically stops turning 3 days before hatching to prevent overturning, ensuring the safety of the developing chicks. Unlike other models that require frequent lid opening, this incubator is designed with an external water filling system. Additionally, the built-in egg candler provides an easy way to monitor embryo development without purchasing separate equipment. The Ibkinxx Egg Incubator also offers a 360-degree transparent viewing design, allowing users to observe the hatching process in real time. Its structural design facilitates easy disassembly and cleaning, ensuring a hygienic incubation environment. The upper ventilation cover and removable lower tray make maintenance hassle-free. For those looking for an easy-to-use and highly efficient incubator, the Ibkinxx model delivers excellent performance with its automated features and superior humidity control. It is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced hatchers. Number 4. Chickcozy Egg Incubator. The Chickcozy Egg Incubator is an advanced and thoughtfully designed device that ensures a high hatch rate with its precision engineering. One of its standout features is the newly enhanced watering trays labeled C and D, which allow for optimal humidity control. These dual watering zones provide flexibility based on the surrounding climate, enabling users to create the ideal hatching environment effortlessly. Whether you are dealing with dry conditions or require higher humidity, the addition of water to both zones ensures that moisture levels remain stable for successful hatching. Incorporating precise temperature and humidity control, the Chickcozy Egg Incubator mimics a hen's natural hatching process. The technology ensures even heat distribution, creating a stable environment for the developing eggs. The incubator also includes an automatic egg rotation system, rotating the eggs once every hour. This feature has been tested and shown to improve hatch rates by preventing embryos from sticking to the shell and promoting even development. Another highlight of this incubator is its visual water-adding design. The pull-out water tray allows for easy refilling and cleaning, preventing unnecessary spills or overfilling. This ensures that the humidity levels remain consistent without excessive condensation buildup, which can negatively impact hatching success. The ability to control humidity without opening the incubator lid minimizes temperature fluctuations, improving the overall efficiency of the hatching process. Number 5. NyPots Egg Incubator. When it comes to ensuring successful hatching, this advanced egg incubator offers a range of innovative features designed to make the process efficient and user-friendly. Equipped with 2 interchangeable egg trays, it can accommodate up to 18 chicken or duck eggs, 8 goose eggs, or more than 40 smaller bird eggs. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for poultry enthusiasts, small-scale farmers, and hobbyists who wish to hatch various types of eggs with precision and ease. One of the standout features of this incubator is its precise temperature control, facilitated by an induced airflow system driven by a powerful circulating fan, providing users with flexibility in selecting the frequency of egg rotation. With options to turn the eggs every 60, 120, or 180 minutes, this function mimics the natural movement of a brooding hen, ensuring optimal embryo development. Additionally, the incubator is programmed to stop turning the eggs 4 days before hatching, allowing the chicks to position themselves properly for emergence. This thoughtful design improves hatch rates and reduces the risk of deformities or complications during the hatching process. Another noteworthy addition is the built-in egg candler, which enables users to observe the development of embryos without needing a separate device. This integrated feature simplifies the monitoring process, allowing users to check on the fertility and progress of each egg without disrupting the incubation environment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.